How to download and install Microsoft Word or Office for free on PC or laptop. So if you want to download and install Microsoft Word or Office for free on PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser. Once you open up your browser, now you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for Microsoft Office download. And once you search for Microsoft Office download, now what you need to do is just you need to click on the first search, which is download Microsoft Office 365 for your Windows or Mac. Go with the first search and you'll have this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with download for Windows if you want to download it for your Windows. Then here on the upper right, you will have the Office setup. You just need to simply go with downloads, which you can see right here, and then go with open. Once you open it up, now you just need to simply go with yes. And in my case, I already have the Microsoft Office. So if you don't have it, then you will get an install option. You can simply go with install and your Microsoft Office will be installed. Or the next thing you can do is you can simply search for Microsoft Store and search for Microsoft Office 365. And here you will get the install option. You can simply click on install. And in my case, I've already installed it. So you just need to simply click on install and it will install your Microsoft Office. And then you can use your Microsoft Office. So once you've installed, you will get the Microsoft Office right here, which is right here. So you just need to simply open it up. Once you open that, you will get this kind of interface. And here on the left side, you will have your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, and everything. So that's how you can use your Microsoft Office Word. And that's how you can download and install Microsoft Word Office for free on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.